Alright. Old microwave. Go for it. Don't stand too close to that thing.
Yeah, that's not good. That's really not good. Is it actually arcing? Oh, it's arcing. Oh, there's fire. We have fire.
Oh, yep. And oh yeah, that's yep, that's smoking pretty well, isn't it? Can we get it off my tires, please?
Yeah. That would have started a fire.
Great.
Definitely have started
Yeah,
a fire.
that stinks. Yep. Bye, microwave. You were a good friend for.
It was only on for like 6 seconds.
I mean, I've had it 5 years now. It's not bad.
Well, I don't know. Your first apartment. How long were you in your first apartment before we got together? Because we've been together. More than 5
February
years.
of 2007.
Okay, 5 years.
No, 6
6
years. 6 years.
Bye, microwave.
Hi, microwave. At least it's clean.
Yeah, look at this. See where it cooked itself?
Whoops.
That's where the magnetron just was like, oh fuck it, I'm gonna kill the microwave.
Whoops.
Oh well.
Yep.
Bye, microwave.
Hi, microwave. Bye.
Can we hit it with a fire extinguisher just for fun?
No.
Okay.